guys, here we have another question to find the LCM. Question number 6. There are 3 expressions to find LCM. Let's factorize these expressions one by one. So first expression is 16x power 4 minus 4x square minus 4x minus 1. We can factorize this taking common in the last 3 terms, because after taking common they complete the square. The 16x power 4 minus common 4x square plus 4x plus 1. The 16x power 4, this 4x square is square of 2x, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. 2 is 2x, b is 1, b square 1 square. So this 16x power 4 can be written as 4x square whole square, and this side a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is a plus b whole square. Therefore we can write here 2x plus 1 whole square. We have minus here. So finally we get this form, a square minus b square. This 16x power 4 is square of 4x square, and minus as it is this side a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b, a our while writing minus b, we have to open this bracket with this minus sign. So it is minus 2x minus 1. So while writing a plus b, we open the bracket plus by this plus, supposing this sign is plus, no change in the sign here, plus 2x plus 1 as it is. And while writing a minus b, because a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Formula of a is 4x square, our minus, our b is in the place of b, we have 2x plus 1. So while opening this bracket with this minus, so it becomes minus 2x minus 1. So these are the factors of the first expression. Okay, similar to we have second expression. Second expression 16x power 4 plus 8x cube minus 2x minus 1. Here just we can take common in the first 2 terms as well as in the last 2 terms we can take minus 1 common. So when we take 8x cube common, in the first 2 terms we will get 2x plus 1 in the bracket. In the last 2 also, after taking minus 1 common, you will get the same thing, 2x plus 1 in the bracket. So easily we can get one factor just taking common only. 2x plus 1 minus 1 common, 2x plus 1. So it is 2x plus 1, 8x cube minus 1. So one factor 2x plus 1 easily we got here after taking common. Now again we have 8x cube minus 1 in the second bracket. We have to factorize this by using the formula of a cube minus b cube. So it is 2x plus 1 as it is. Other side 8x cube is cube of 2x minus 1 cube. So a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Now a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square is 1 square. So what we get here? 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1, 4x square plus 2x plus 1. We can factorize this further. This is the factorization of the second expression. Now we have third expression. Third expression is 4x cube minus 2x square minus 2x plus 1. How this can be factorized? 4x cube 2x square. If you take 2x square common here, what we get? 2x minus 1. Here also taking minus 1 common, we will get 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 is common, then there remains 2x square minus 1. You cannot do anything for this. So look here, 4x cube minus 2x square minus 2x plus 1. In the first two terms, after taking 2x square common, there will remain 2 times 4 and x square 2x minus 1. And in the last two terms, after taking minus 1 common, there will remain 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 is the common factor. Then what will be remaining? 2x square here and minus 1 here. So it completes the factorization of the third expression also. It is very easy. Now finally, we write the LCM of the given expressions. Therefore, LCM. First, if there is any common factor in all three terms, we find out this. These are the factors of the first expressions. 4x square plus 2x plus 1, 4x square minus 2x minus 1. These are the factors of the second expression. These are the factors of the third expression. We do not have any factor common in all the three expressions. So let's find the common factor in two expressions. And look here, this 4x square plus 2x plus 1 and 4x square plus 2x plus 1 common in first and second expression. So 4x square plus 2x plus 1 and this is not common. So write this thing. This factor 4x square minus 2x minus 1. This is a single one. No other expression has this factor. So this is the remaining factor. I have written this immediately. Now this 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 here. Is there any 2x plus 1? No. Yes, we have 2x minus 1. We have 2x minus 1 common between the second and third expression. 2x minus 1. Now we do not have any other factor common. So what is remaining here? 2x plus 1. And here 2x square minus 1. 2x square minus 1. So this is the LCM of the given expressions. To the class, we are finding the LCM of algebraic expressions. Here we have question number 7 to find the LCM. There are three expressions. So to find their LCM, we factorize them one by one. So let's start factorization. First we have expression 10 times x cube plus 2x square minus 3x. This is the first expression. How do we factorize it? You can see there is x common inside the bracket. We take this x common. So after taking x is common, we get x square plus 2x minus 3 inside the bracket. This expression inside the bracket 3 into 1, 3. So 3 minus 1, 2. By product and sum rule, it can be factorized x square plus 3 minus 1x minus 3. So it is 10x x square plus 3x plus minus x minus 3. This 10x as it is from in the first two terms, x common. So there will remain x plus 3. Similarly, in the last two terms, we take minus 1 common. So that we get x plus 3 in the bracket. So for this 10 also we can write 2 into 5 into x as it is, and x plus 3 common here. So another factor x minus 1. So these are the factors of the first expression, 10 times x cube plus 2x square minus 3x. Similarly, we factorize the second and third expressions as well. Our second expression is 15 times x cube minus 9x. 15 here also we can take one x common, so there will remain x square minus 9 in the bracket, and 15x, this is a square minus b square form. 9 is square of 3, a plus b, a minus b, so 15 is 3 into 5 into x, it is x plus 3 times x minus 3. And these are the factors of the second expression. Similarly, we have third expression, 20 times x power 4 plus 27x. So here also you can take x common from this x power 4 plus 27x. The 20x, what will be remaining? X cube plus 27. Now this is, we have a cube plus b cube form in the bracket, and this 27 is cube of 3. 27x x cube plus 3 cube. Now which is the formula of a cube plus b cube there? A plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So what do we get? For this 20 also we can write 2 into 5 into x plus 3, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So it is 2 into 2 into 5 into x plus 3, x square minus 3x plus 9. This is 9. These are the factors of the third expression, it is 5. Now we find the LCM. Therefore, LCM is equal to, first we find the common factors in all three expressions. Is there any? Yes, we can see this 5 outside of the bracket everywhere, and x also 5x common in all three expressions, and 2 common can be taken from these 2, and 1, 2 is remaining here, 1, 3 is remaining there, 2 into 3. Now inside the bracket we have x plus 3 in all three expressions, x plus 3, here also we have x plus 3, and we don't have any other common factor. This x minus 1 here, x minus 3 here, x square minus 3x plus 9, these are the remaining factors. So x minus 1, x minus 3, and here we have x square minus 3x plus 9. So finally what do we get the answer? 5 into 4, 20 into 60x outside of the bracket, and inside the bracket we have x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 3, and x square minus 3x plus 9. For this x plus 3, x minus 3, we can write x square minus 9 also, but it is not necessary to multiply, you can leave your answer as it is. So in this way we got the LCM of the given three expressions. Here we have another question to find the LCM. Here also you can see 3 expressions. We are finding the LCM of these expressions by factorization method. Therefore, we factorize all the given expressions. So let's start from the first expression. Our first expression is 64 m power 6 n minus n power 7. So how do we factorize it? We can take n common. After taking n common, what will be remaining? 64 m power 6 minus n power 6. 64 m power 6 minus n power 6. Here we can use the formula of a square minus b square as well as aq minus bq. First I use a square minus b square because 64 m power 6, which square is this? It is square of 8 m cube. And this n power 6 is square of n cube. So first we use the formula a square minus b square. 8 m cube plus n cube a plus b. 8 m cube minus n cube a minus b. Now after using the formula a square minus b square, here the first bracket, it is in the form of aq plus bq. In the second bracket, it is in the form of aq minus bq. So again we can factorize it by using the formula. It is cube of 2m and it is n cube. Cube of 2m and n cube as it is. Now formula aq plus bq, a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, aq minus bq, a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. We use both formula. Here we have aq plus bq, here we have aq minus bq. So a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. These are the factors of the this aq plus bq, and similarly 2m minus n a minus b a square plus ab 2m into n plus b square is n square. Factors of the is 2m whole cube minus n cube. Now this is 2m plus n. Here we have 2m minus n, and this is 4m square minus 2mn plus n square, and this is 4m square plus 2mn plus n square. So these are the factors of the first expression. 64 m power 6n minus n power 7. There is n common. After taking n common, we will get 64 m power 6 minus n power 6 in the bracket, where I have used here a square minus b square, because 64 m power 6 it is square of 8m cube, and this n power 6 it is square of n cube. So a plus b, a minus b. Now we have aq plus bq form here. Here we have aq minus bq, because 8m cube it is the cube of 2m, and n cube as it is. Here also we have the same aq minus bq. So by using the formula of aq plus bq here in this bracket and aq minus bq here in this bracket, finally we get the factors of first expression. Now similarly, second expression. Second expression I am writing here. We have 16 m power 4 plus 4m square n square plus n power 4. How do we factorize this expression? 16 m power 4 and n power 4 we write together, and 4m square n square we write this making the last term. We did so many such factorization in the previous numbers questions, even in HF also. So it is 4m square whole square, it is n square whole square plus 4m square n square. In the first two terms we are using the formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So what do we get here? A plus b whole square. A is 4m square plus b is n square whole square minus 2ab. 2a is 4m square, b is n square, and this plus 4m square n square as it is. So it is 4m square plus n square whole square. 4 to the 8 m square n square plus 4m square n square. We get minus 4m square n square here. So it is 4m square plus n square whole square, it is square of 2mn. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b times a minus b. 4m square plus n square plus 2mn, 4m square plus n square minus 2mn. So these are the factors of the second expression. We can write these in order. I am writing here 4m square plus 2mn plus n square. Similarly, 4m square minus 2mn plus n square. These are the factors of the second expression. Now we have third expression as well. These are the factors of the first expression. These are the factors of the second expression, and we have third expression. 4m square minus n square. It is very easy. A square minus b square form. So it is 2m plus n, 2m minus n. So we completed the factorization of all three expressions here. So we find their LCM now. Therefore LCM is equal to, we find if there is any factor common in all three expressions. These are the factors of the third expression, these are the factors of the first expression, these are the factors of the second expression. We can't see any factor common in all three, so we find the factor common in two expressions. In two expression, what is common? 2m plus n and 2m minus n, 2m plus n, 2m minus n. In the first and third, these two factors were common, and the remaining, this one n is here, it is not common. And other, look here, first and second, 4m square plus 2mn plus n square, it is common. 4m square plus 2mn plus n square. And what is remaining here? 4m square minus 2mn plus n square, also common here. So 4m square minus 2mn plus n square. So this is the LCM of the given expressions. Here factorizations were slightly longer, but not so difficult. But this one, just by taking n common, we'll get AQ minus BQ form. Easily we can use the formula. There also, we are familiar about this type of factorization. We did lots of such factorization in the previous previous chapter also. So I think you don't have any problem to understand this thing. Okay, thank you class. Bye bye.